Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do exercise 7.1 seventh sum. See here, what is the question is there? Find the points on x-axis which equidistance from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. So here what value we have to find? X-axis 2 points is there, that value we have to find. Carefully listen. See here, this is the graph. See here, in this graph, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. For understanding, I am explaining, don't do in the exam, okay? See here, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. See here, what are the x-axis coordinates? First you will get the number, next 0. Coordinates of x-axis is the x0. Coordinates of the y-axis is the 0, y. This one you keep in your mind. Coordinates of the x-axis, x0. Y-axis 0, 1. See here what asking? Find the points on x-axis. Points on x-axis means we will take what? X0 we will take. Let the points on x-axis we will take x0. Any points on the x-axis is there means we will get one number and 0. That number we have to find, so we will take x and 0. So let the points on x-axis we will take x0. And which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. See here. Which points are there? 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. I am taking, see here. 2, minus 5, where is there? See. 2, x-axis 2, y-axis minus 5. You will get the points here. First point here is there. 2, minus 5. First you take x-axis number. X-axis is the 2. Y-axis is the minus 5. Next one more number, what is there? Minus 2, 9. See Papa, where is minus 2 is there? Here minus 2 is there. 9 where is there? See. Minus 2 and 9. It will come here. Minus 2, 9. So this coordinate we will take A. This coordinate we will take B. One name we will give A and B. So now what we will find? This A and B2 on the x-axis, which point coordinates is there means we will get equal distance. Solving after we will see. So an x-axis here to equal distance want, and this point to also on the x-axis equal distance we want. This is the question. See here, don't need to do in the exam, simply for understanding I am explaining. See here, simply we will do here. See here, this is the P point is there. P point coordinates. P point, this one I am taking P, this two coordinates A and B taking. This is 2, minus 5 A taking, and B minus 2, 9 I am taking the B. See here, this P point where is there? On the x-axis. On the x-axis means which coordinates we will take? X0 we will take. First this one is clear means we will start the question. See here, let the point on x-axis we will take x0. A we are taking this one. B we are taking this one. But these two, how is there? Equal distance is there. This is the main point. Okay. Now see here, point P equidistance from A and B. Point P equidistance from A and B. So that meaning what? AP equal to BP. So according to question, what is there? AP equal to BP. AP equal to BP did means we will get the answer. See here I am explaining. P dot, what is there? P coordinates x0 is there. Next, both are equidistant is there. A coordinates, what is there? A coordinates 2, minus 5 is there. 2, minus 5. Next, B coordinates, what is there? Minus 2, 9. See here, 2, minus 5, this is a minus 2, 9. These both are equidistant. So what is according to question is there means according to question, these both are equidistant. So what is there? AP equal to BP. This solved means we will get the answer. A means what is there? 2, minus 5. P means what is there? X0. So now we will write distance formula. Distance we are finding. So distance formula, right? Distance formula, what is there? X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. This is the distance of AP. It is equal to BP also is there. BP also same distance formula. X2 minus 2 times you write. This for this one marks also is there. X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. Here also under root. And you take here also under root. First AP values we will apply. A means 2 minus 5, P means x0. Now you take this one, x1, y1. This is x2, y2. x2 means what? X. Carefully apply. X minus x1 means 2. X minus 2 whole square plus y2. y2 means 0. In the question minus is there. y1 means minus 5 whole square. This is the under root. Next we will come here. Again next AP over. Next BP we will take. B means what is there? B means minus 2, 9. P means x 0. Confuse is there means right here. x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Now apply. x2 means what? X is there. In the question minus is there. x1 means minus 2. So minus of minus 2 whole square. Plus y2 means 0 minus 9 whole square under root. Now apply the values correctly, you will get correct answer. Now see here I will do. See here, x minus 2 whole square, this one I will simplify, plus minus into minus plus 0 plus 5 whole square under root. Next come this side, minus into minus plus x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 minus 9 whole square under root. Okay. Now see here, this side also root is there, this side also root is there. Root to root to cancel. What is remain here? X minus 2 whole square plus 0 plus 5, 5. 5 5 is 25 is equal to, next here, x plus 2 whole square plus, see here, minus into minus plus, again plus into plus, you will get plus. 9 9s are 81 you will get. Now here formulas are there. Which formula we will use? A minus B whole square. Here A plus B whole square. Here I will write, see, A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. See here I am simplifying. A square means x square minus 2 into A means x, B means 2. A square minus 2AB plus B square. B square means 2 square plus 25 is equal to, see again here A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This formula we will use and I am distributing. First A square. A square means x square plus 2 into A means x, B means 2. 2AB over plus B square. B square means already we did. B square means again 4 square. 4 square plus 81. See here, A square plus 2AB plus B square means again 2 square. Here 81 is there. So little bit here I will write. X into x, x square minus 2 2s are 4x plus 2 square means 4 plus 25 is equal to, again you write here, x square. See here 2 2s are 4 plus 4x plus this is what is there, 2 square here. B means 2, not 4. 2 square. 2 square means 4 plus 81. Here see Baba. Here 2 square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. B means 2 square plus 81. Okay, numbers carefully write. Okay. Now see here, this answers came. Here see, observe means, see here this plus x square came this side means it is become minus x square. So same number is there means is equal to after before we can cancel. See here x square cancel. Again what is the chance is there? Plus 4 is there. This one came this side means minus 4. So same symbol, same number is equal to before, after is there means we can cancel. So this plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Now what is remain here? Minus 4x. Here what remain? Plus 25. Here what is there? Plus 4x. Here plus 81 remain. Okay, this one we will simplify. Variable one side, number one side. Minus 4x. Take this side. Minus 4x. 81 here only is there. Same number you take. Take this side. Minus 25. Okay. Minus 4x minus 4x minus 8x is equal to 81 minus 25. What 81? 11 minus 5? 6. Here 7 remain. 7 minus 2, 5. Which 56 plus 56. We want only x. X is equal to 56 divided by minus 8. See here, 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56. X is equal to what? Minus 7. X value is the minus 7. But P coordinates, P means what we took? P coordinates, what we took? X and 0 we took. X, 0 took. This is on X axis. So X value how much came? Minus 7, 0. Minus 7, 0. This points, P points, minus 7, 0 is there. Means this distance formula use finding this answer also. This answer also you will get same answer. Okay, in the graph also we will see it is correct or wrong. Okay, see here. Now see here, what is there? This is a coordinate to 2 minus 5, B coordinate minus 2, 9 is there. On the x-axis, what are the coordinates came here? Fair notes you see. This is the fair notes. What are the coordinates came? Minus 7. It is a not 7. Minus 7, 0 came. Minus 7, 0. Where is there minus 7, 0? It will come here. So x-axis minus 7, y-axis 0 means the same place. So it will come minus 7, 0. Now you observe means, see here, it will come equal distances. See here. Here to here we will see. X-axis to this one, x-axis to this one B. How many centimeters is there? See, 10.4, 10.5 is there. Okay. This distance, I'll see, 10.5 is there. This side also you see, Baba. See here. Almost it is 10.5. So you will get see here like this. This see here. This is the meaning of this one. See here. This x-axis to this distance. This x-axis to this distance. It is a equal distance. Exam don't do this one. Only this one like this. You write it and you do it. Okay. See here. This is the answer. This is the fair notes. Use it. Your formulas also is there. AP I am taking here. Here like this x1 y1. You will not get confused. Use like this. Okay. Now, 8th question. Find the value of the y for which the distance between the points P 2 minus 3 and Q 10y is 10 units. Okay, this one we will solve. So, this meaning what is there? See here, find the value of the y. One line is there. What is the P coordinates? What is there? 2 minus 3 is there. Q coordinates 10y is there. So, this P to Q distance how much given? 10 units given. Distance is only given. How many units is there? 10 units is there. Now we will find what is the y value. This is very simple question. See here, how to do this one. See here, you write the points here. Distance PQ is equal to how many units is there? 10 units is there. So PQ distance we will find. P coordinates what is there? I will write. See, P coordinates are 2 minus 3. Next, Q coordinates what is there? 10y is there. So distance how much is there? 10 units is there. So PQ distance formula we will use and we will find the y value. See here. Distance formula PQ. PQ is equal to, what is the distance formula? X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square under root. Okay, what part you know we will apply. See here confuses them is right here X1 Y1. This is X2 Y2. You apply here. PQ how much is there here? Distance P to Q how much distance is there? 10 units is there. So PQ plus you can write it 10 is equal to X2 means what? 10 minus X1 means 2. 10 minus 2 whole square plus Y2 means what? 1 minus, in the question minus is there. This Y1 what is there? Minus 3 is there. It is 3. Correct. Y1 how much is there? Minus 3 whole square under root. Now see here 10 equal to 8 minus 10 minus 2 8 whole square plus y minus into minus is become a plus 3 whole square under root. Now see here root after is equal to it is a square. So I am removing here root. So after is equal to it's become a square. So this 10 its root become root this side came means it is a square. 10 square is equal to 8 8 is 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. We can distribute this one. Which formula? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula we will use and we will distribute. See here, a square means y square plus 2 into a means y, b means 3, 2ab plus b square means 3 whole square. So 8 8 is 64. This one we are distributing a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. See here, 10 square means 10 10s are 100 is equal to 64 plus y square plus 2 3s are 6y plus 3 3s are 9. Okay, see here, 100 equal to 64. 64 plus 9, we can simplify. 64, 73. This one 64 plus 9 we will write one side plus y square plus 6y. Now see here, 100 is equal to 64, 70, 73. 73 plus y square plus 6y. You send this side 73. 100 minus 73 is equal to y square plus 6y. See here, 10 minus 3, 7, here 9, 27. 27 equal to y square plus 6y. See here, I will write in standard form. I am interchanging y square plus 6y is equal to 27. This 27 you take this side, y square plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0. Now we can do the splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term, how to split this one? 8th standard 2 is there. Again don't know means I will explain. See here, this one into this one. What is there? Minus 27 y square. Lower section you learned splitting the middle term. So how to distribute this one? 27 means what are the chances there? 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So we want 6. So 9, 6. 3 3s are 9. One value we will take 9y. One value we will take 3y. But here we want plus. So big number you take plus, small number you take minus. So how to split this one means multiply means we want this one. This 2 simplified means middle one want. See here 9y minus 3y you will get 6y. Again both multiply, 9 3s are 27 plus into minus minus y into y square. So first number write as it is and last number you write as it is equal to 0. Middle what we will write? Plus 9y minus 3y. Now see here. In this one what is the common? Y common. In this two what is the common? Y common. Y common means y plus 9. So starting minus is there means you take minus common. Plus is there means plus common. But plus common means no changes. But minus common is there means inside symbol will change. So 3 1s are 3 9s are 27. What is the chances there common? 3 chances there. So 3 common taken means inside what is it? This is a minus sign. So inside you will get plus. Minus 3y is there. But inside you will get plus. See here, minus into plus minus. 3 into y, 3y. So here minus 27 is there. Inside it's become a plus. So 3 common taken means what you will get? 9 you will get. So this is outside minus is there means inside symbol will change. Minus is there means plus, plus is there means minus. Again this 2 you will get same only. You are taking splitting the middle term is correct. So y plus 9, y plus 9. You take one time. Next remaining what is there? Y minus 3. Separate you take. Y plus 9 is equal to 0. Y is equal to what? Minus 9. Next, y minus 3 is equal to 0. What is the y is equal to? Plus 3. So, what is the y answer? Y answer minus 9 or 3. So, this y place minus 9 keeping also, you will get 10 units distance. And 3 keeping also, you will get 10 units. So, this is the answer. Very simple. This is 10 units is there. So, PQ distance formula you take, PQ 10 you are taking means you will get, here you will get one equation. This one you did splitting the middle term means you will get 2 answers. 3 or minus 9 is the answer. I hope you clear. I think again you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.